What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on my channel. My name is Joe and this is my channel Crypto Joe, and if you did not know, now you know, guys. And today we're talking about a project that is going to solve all the total supply problems that's been happening recently in the crypto world and just in general, guys. This project, it's fairly new, as well as what's really important about this project, guys, is that it aims to solve the blockchain dilemma and decentralization, security, and scalability by enhancing with the fourth pillar sustainable economy, guys. And we're talking about no other than this brand new project called Hydra. And Hydra, it's also a wallet. So it has a lot of key points to it. And like I said, this video, it's not my usual video. This is going to be more in depth on what we usually like talk about. It's going to be as short as some of the other videos are because this project is willing to do a lot for us as well as it's willing to change all the problems that has been happening recently in the crypto world. But guys, before we start with this video, make sure you guys check out some of my other videos, which will be popping here or down here. And make sure you guys also comment. And comment if you have any questions about Hydra. We'll be answering them right away as we are entering this brand new blockchain that's coming out. But also comment below what kind of videos you like to see. And make sure you like this video if this video informed you well and you learn a little bit more about this. Subscribe, join our community, guys. We've been growing so fast that I can't stress it enough. We want to thank you guys for everything you guys have been doing. But also subscribe and ring that bell so you get notified every time we upload a video because we are always uploading, guys. But yeah, without further ado, guys, let's get into this video, guys. Here we are on the website, and here's the Hydra website. Here's a little bit of a video right here that shows kind of like what they do. We see like a few people right here. It's just a blockchain, and then it just destroys it to the coins. And then it says solving the total supply problem. Hydra is an open source proof stake blockchain with a unique set of economy features. It packs a unique combination of inflationary as well as deflationary mechanics as part of an economy that works in parallel and let the real adoption define its total supply. So you can download the white paper, which we're going to go in there in depth in a second, and or you can join the community, and we have a little bit of that, which we'll actually usually we mention this at the end of the video, but why not just mention it now, guys? So by joining the community, you do a lot for them, and you can stay up to date with everything that they're doing within this blockchain, guys. So then we have the Hydra ecosystem news, which has about 1,700 subscribers on Telegram. We have the Hydra chain official group, which has about almost 6,000 members active, guys. And then we have their Twitter, which comes down to, or their X account that has about 16,000 followers. And here's just a little bit more of the updating news and basically just everything that they're doing to this project, as well as their involvement in the app. And it's going to be a wallet here soon, guys. So it's going to be, think about Ethereum, it's going to take over all of these big blockchains to be the number one, guys. And it's honestly working really fast within your eyesight, guys. But yeah, this is just basically, like I mentioned, the Twitter. It updates you with everything they're doing when it comes down to the wallet, as well as they're doing to the website and just the project in general, guys. So make sure you guys go check out. I'll leave all the links below for you guys to check it out. And, you guys can follow and join them in their community, guys. But yeah, and here we have, guys, what the wallet comes down to. Here's the Hydra Chain mobile wallet, which we're going to go in a little bit more in depth as the video goes on, but it's available now on the App Store and the Google Play Store, guys. If you guys want to download it, it's free and you can download that, and it's going to take over the wallet industry as well. Soon we'll have the plugin as well right here as we see MetaMask, but this is what we're working with right now. We have their digital wallet, guys, and that is awesome. But anyways, guys, let's keep going down. As we're here, here's the global node distribution. Hydra is a truly decentralized network maintained by nodes and through the gloves. Has about 607 total nodes, and then the US dollar has about 9.26 million total assets on stake, and then the US dollar says 4.72 million, guys. And here's just a little bit of map showing us that, guys. As well as we go down here, it says powerful staking economy. Hydra's a proof of stake blockchain. All right. And then everyone can become a full node in few clicks and stake Hydra, help maintain the network. Stakers receive high economic streams and through the block rewards awarded by the blockchains. This ensures chain and protected against the 51% of attacks. Here we have a little bit more of an image of showing you what they do and how they take care of that, guys. And as we go down, it just tells you a little bit more. It has about 35.19% annual percentage on return, which is the APR. We have about that is 1,442,581 block mined, so it's a lot. And then on US, we have about 7.22 million staking rewards paid out. And then we have the total volume assessed of the chain, which is 17.74 million. As we get down, we have the shared economy beneficial of all stakeholders. Hydro provides 50% of gas royalties and smart contract owners. Developers projects receive 50% of the transaction fees with their smart contract. Excluded from by the user, this unlocks a unique economy. DEX application adapts with the high transaction volumes that are currently wasting the enormous economy stream, guys. And then as we get below, we have the fixed transaction fees and 100% burn, guys. The Hydra blockchain achieves transactional cost breakdown through a stable gas price protocol. The gas price is governed by the coin holders through a descending voting mechanism as well set in fiat. And Oracle monitors price of Hydra of exchange and adjusts and fee settings dynamically. The result is fixed price and purse of the US dollar equivalent. And then in relative Hydra state, the given network participant, real world business, and application stability that they need. So kind of like how we saw in the beginning, guys, here's just a little bit more of an imagery for that. And here's the gas royalty going down, and then here's the fees, transactions, so on. Just a little bit more about the 100% burn of all transaction fees, the 50% on Royal Gas or Smart contract creators, and then the fixed transaction fees, guys. And then you can join their community, like I mentioned, all links below for that. And that is honestly basically it. A lot of the other stuff is just their partners as well as the news. So for partners, we have Qcoin, Evidoy, and then we have Mex, Bitcoin, then we have Wadex, through many other guys. As we get below, just about them and more so the white paper, which we're going to take a look at together, guys. All right. So pretty cool about everything that they're doing and what they want to make when it comes down to the change, guys, in this crypto industry. Like I said, this project is more so on the not that the other ones were not serious, but this one is coming here just it's like a medic. Like think about this. Like sometimes when you're hurt or you're just in trouble, like you need to figure out how to get it solved. Hydra promises you to be the solution to a lot of these problems that are happening in the crypto world, guys, because a lot of times there's no really a medic for that, guys. But Hydra promises all that, guys. So here we go. We are going to the Coingecko website, and here we have the coin itself and the value on the price chart for Hydra. As we see the chart, it's not just looking decent; it's looking actually really good. Um, and we can see it by for sure like how this thing is going up and so on. And here we have a little bit of more of the total supply, which we don't have. It's like infinite, literally right here. And then we have the circulating supply and the market cap right there, guys. All right. Then right here, we're going to take a look at basically the Hydra liquidity pool launch proposal that they offer, guys. The rationale, the launch of the Hydra pool will be an important milestone for Hydra ecosystem and usher incorporate a new era for network. All right, guys. So the main objective of the strategy are defined as achieving strong liquidity and depth will allow network participants to exchange high volume trades with little slippage. And then we have the minimizing unfair situations where or few individuals are advantage of preferring a rate at the exact moment of development. And just because they manage to make a trade a few seconds faster. And then three is mitigating the risk of Hydra being dumped due to actual elevated note. And then we have basically ideally achieving the net deflationary impact of Hydra via lockup, initial Hydra liquidity as part of the launch, guys. And then finally, we have allowing market forces to go in unbiased price discovery and open up opportunities for leverage and holding opportunity, guys. As we get below here, guys, something that's important with all of this, which is going to come down all the way right here, which is going to be the basically the summary of the proposal, guys. Um, as we see right here, guys, it's nearly like heart the four on the block number of basically a million. 1,517,000 to be exact will be expected to be reached by November 16th, guys. This therefore is a mandatory update for them. All right. The activation marks the last milestone needed before the launch of Hydra for the pool, and then that launch could be also soon seen as of late November, guys. And then we have developing the Hydra pool with the staking ratio of zero point 0.3, sending the pool with 1 million Lydra, and then plus the 173,000 Hydra from DAO, grocery and ensuring inflammatory, and then using V3 DEX pool that would allow for the three strategy liquidity zones outlined above. And then finally, we have the pool development of 1% fee setting in order to reduce circulating supply over time and further simulate the LPs to deploy both Hydra and Lydra in the pool, guys. All right. Also, with all of this that's happening, guys, we've had an article by the International Business Times, guys. So that is huge as we're seeing like they have big announcements. It's not that easy to get into the International Business Times, but Hydra and Lydra are already in this. And basically, just a little bit of the article. The name is Protocol Level Liquidity Staking Arise How Lydra Ushers in a New Era. A little about this, it says what makes Lighter unique is that liquidity staking is integrated directly into the blockchain protocol itself, enabling higher usability and maximum security in contrast of other liquidity staking, such as Lido and protocol integrate and therefore various levels trust, DeFi layer, introducing attack vectors and security risk, guys. Lighter unlocks a myriad of new opportunities, including protocol, power level staking, utilizing dry controlled by additional Hydra to stake, boosting their stake reward beyond the network of APR guys strategies. exists increase in APY by over 2 times with zero liquidity risk, guys. So that is huge. And then as we get below, most remarkable, Hydra introduces novel leverage burn mechanisms. The protocol would automatically use 50% of the smart contract fees to buy and burn Hydra. Has also been seen on the website, guys. As I mentioned, this directly burns and really stake Hydra and discounted rate. The lower Hydra the price, the higher the burn leverage is, guys. And then the Hydra pool marks accumulation of years of work for the Hydra 2.0 economic vision. It aims to solve the blockchain trilemma and desolation and security and scalability and chasing with the fourth pillar, sustainable economy, as I said in the beginning of the video, guys. All right. Now, here we are at their white paper, which I'm going to leave a link below if you want to check it out, the whole thing. But some of the important key points is the challenges, guys, when it comes down to this. The challenges that Hydra is bringing is as Hydra platform grew and evolved, development team identified multiple challenges that needed to be addressed. We have the static inflation, and that is one of the most significant challenges was at the economic design of the platform was based on assumed stable macro environment and static inflation. This meant to the economic model did not automatically adapt changing macro conditions, leading to inflation policy and the ability to respond to market need, guys. But then we also have the dependency on luck. The staking currently involves a degree of statical devaluation of luck from the expand of main, and there's a result unnecessary stress, anxiety for the staker, especially when they stake the amount of the rather low. And then we have the high complexity. Another challenge the team identified was related to the competitor of the quantum project, and then due to combination to the UTOX Envan layers and platform were overly complex, which was made difficult for the developers to work with, as its current state working in Hydra requires a deep understanding of UTOX and Ethereum combined, and the hybrid model also results a flagging version of Solidity, which is further exacerbated from the problem, guys. We get below the partial compatibility, and another important consideration is that the Hydra platform compatibility issues mainstream Web3 applications such as MetaMask, which we have up here, Mio, and Ethereum-based applications, which pose challenge for users to want to interact with the platform. And then through many others, guys, like I said, these are some of the challenges they offer because literally there's a lot of challenges that they're literally bringing to the table, which is huge for this project on its own because it's already willing to fight for those things that have not even been solved in the crypto world, guys. Then right here we have the 2.0 white paper, and here are some key points that we have. The inherited from Bitcoin, secure the most proven architecture, utilities model to wallet level scalability, core logic, and increasing working mechanisms. And then we have the inherited from Ethereum, virtual machine, smart contract functionality, account abstraction model for tokens, and then inherited from Quantum is the design governance protocol, dynamic nature of network settings, and then hybrid operations between UTOX and EMV layers. Inherited from Blockcoin is version 3 proof of stake mechanisms and unique features built on top, which it comes down to fixed transaction fees on the US equivalent, burn on transaction fees, gas royalty, smart contract creators, and then flexible supply management via inflationary, deflationary elements. And finally, we have the various signal optimizations and irritation, guys. But yeah, guys, that is Hydra on its own, guys. Like I said, they have a lot to offer to the table, as well as there is a lot of like literally hope for this project due to the fact that it's willing to fix a lot of the problems that we've seen over the past couple of months with crypto and just the blockchains in general. It's obviously going to take over to a lot of the big literally names that we have. Like I mentioned, they mention Ethereum a lot, and Ethereum is one of those outside of the US dollar. It's utilized a lot when it comes down to your wallet, as well as just in crypto in general. So basically, Hydra is going to take over. It's going to be a lot more efficient for the people because at the end of the day, if you're going to come to a task like this, you have to be more efficient. And for that, that's what the challenges are for. And they're bringing everything with them to fix those problems that we've been having for not really just days, but more for months, guys. But yeah, guys, this is the Hydra Chain project, also Hydra. It's out now. Like I mentioned, this is huge for crypto. So since it's huge, I'm gonna mention it before it literally it's everywhere. So here you guys are early here with the Hydra project. I'm gonna leave all the links below for their basically socials as well as just their website for you to join, as well as their white paper, so you can check out more and what's going on with this. I'll leave the link to the article that they made on them, and as well as just the Coingecko as always, so you guys can see the chart and how it's going, guys. But also, make sure you guys check out their wallet. It's available now on the Google Play Store as well as the App Store, guys. But yeah, guys, this is the Hydra Chain project. My name is Joe, and I'm literally about to use it for myself because this is going to explode here without nothing. This is no BS. This is legit. And this is honestly going to be the key to a lot of our problem, guys. But yeah, guys, all links below as always. Make sure you guys like if you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about this. I know this is very confusing at times. And when they got introduced to me, I had a little bit of a problem kind of solving what's going on and how it's going to inflate the problems that we've already done. but it all connects at the end. And if you have any questions about that, make sure you leave it in the comment section below because we'll be answering them right away, guys. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, ring that bell so you get notified every time we upload a video. Without further ado, guys, my name is Joe. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, guys.